How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. So I'm making this part after I did the whole process for this new video because I lost all my footage for the beginning of this video. So this is gonna be really simple. I have problems again with my idle air control valve. You're gonna see it on the next segment where the RPM goes crazy. So I'm gonna show you the installation in full detail of the idle air control valve. I'm gonna do something different for this upload, so I hope you enjoy it. This is gonna be very simple. You guys saw me doing this before, but I'm gonna throw something different on the car, so I hope you like it, guys. RPM goes up and down from like 1000 to 1800 RPM. Again, the idle air control valve. Okay, guys, so I removed the intake. I can remove only the idle air control valve, but it's only 2 volts right here. But I decided to remove everything because I'm gonna do something else to the intake plenum. This time I'm gonna put a new, again, idle air control valve, but I'm gonna paint the intake plenum. You saw on one of my videos where I did the same procedure with the idle air control valve. A lot of people have problems with it. I didn't put any cleaner inside. I just put cleaner on this side, clean the plenum, clean the passage, and I didn't mess with the inside because once you put throttle body cleaner and it goes inside, it's gonna go to the idle air control valve and it's gonna mess it up. Don't do that. Just clean it on this part, which is the passage. If you had a code where the airflow is bad on the passage, just clean this area and this area, not inside, and you should be good. If something's bad, if your idle is bad, like you see in the first segment of this video where the idle goes up and down from 1000 to 2000 RPM, then you replace your idle air control valve. So this is something that you need to take in consideration because once you mess with all of this, the idle sometimes is not gonna be right. That's why you have to be careful and don't mess with it. But if you have to, you know how to replace this one because I post a video about that. I think what happened, guys, I think the valve's still good, but what happens is probably has some leaks. I don't think this gasket, I believe this gasket is Honda, but I don't think so. I doubt it. Probably I get aftermarket. I really don't remember. But I think that's why we have idle problems. That's the old one. Set on the side. Now we're gonna start cleaning the intake. Like I said before, just clean this part, don't clean inside, because then you start having idle problems. But I just wanna do a quick little clean. Don't spray anything inside, just clean it with the rag. And if you wanna clean inside, you can just clean a little bit in there. You should be good to go. So after I clean it, I'm gonna start putting tape on the parts that I don't want paint. Clean the outside too and start painting. I'm gonna use primer and then I'm gonna use black paint. Okay guys, I clean everything with the wire brush as much as possible. Tape everything that you don't want paint on it. In this case, this one, because you slide hoses, you need to cover it so you don't have problem when you put it back on, slicing all the hoses that it needs to be in. Throw body, cover where the valve is gonna go. Everything around is being cleaned, and now I'm ready to apply primer. I'm gonna use high heat primer, and this video is not sponsored, okay? I pay for everything that you're gonna see with my own money. First, high heat primer, and then high heat black paint, and that's gonna do the trick. I'm gonna put probably like 1 or 2 coats of primer, and then around 3 coats of paint, and then this one should be good to go. I'm just gonna let it dry, and I have my new idle air control valve in here. This is the old one. Once everything gets dry, I'm gonna put it on and tighten them out to 110 inch-pound. I have my small torque wrench. Put 110 inch-pound on it. Make sure that I'm gonna put it right now. I know it's easier to put the intake and then put this one because this hose is really hard to put on. I'm gonna put it right here, making sure that the gasket doesn't move, because if you have any leaks, again, your idle is gonna be funny. Primer is ready. Now I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes and apply the paint. Okay guys, intake is ready. Apply 3 coats, wait 5 minutes in between. You can see it looks a lot better now. So I'm just gonna wait another like 30 minutes maybe and put it back in the car. Okay guys, I put everything back on the car. I'm gonna start the car. I already started the car because you know it gets so late. I was doing some other stuff, so I apologize about that. But everything is in place. You can see the intake is being painted flat black, and you know installation was pretty easy. So let me start the car so you can see that everything works. So if you can see, I still have the check engine light for the idle. I'm gonna reset it. So there you have it guys. Installation was really easy. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one guys. Peace.